Hello Sketchers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw Sunbro Solaire from Dark Souls. Let's start. First, we'll begin with a very light sketch using a pencil. Start by mapping out the basic structure, the head, torso, knees, and hands. Focus on getting the pose right, especially his iconic raised arms. Don't worry about the details yet, just build the foundation. Once you have the basic structure, you can start refining it. Go over your sketch again and define the shapes of the helmet, armor, hands, and legs. Keep your lines light here as well, since we'll still be making adjustments and erasing some parts later. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more drawing like this. At this stage, you might notice it doesn't look exactly like Solaire yet. I realized my reference was slightly off, so now I'll make some adjustments to improve the proportions and details. Take your time here, small corrections make a big difference. Now it's looking more like Solaire. We can move on to inking. I'll start with the pilot pen and outline the helmet first. Focus on clean, confident lines, just the outlines for now. Once the outlines are complete, we can start shading. Use cross-hatching techniques to build depth and texture. Use a lighter pen for softer areas. Use a thicker pen for darker shadows. For the chainmail, I'm using a dotting technique to create that textured look. For the rest of the drawing, continue shading with your pen, gradually building contrast and bringing the character to life. And here's the final result, our Sunbro Solaire drawing. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments what you'd like me to draw next. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Sketchers.